Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a area and a line chart in Tableau. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, connect to the dataset of your choice. In this case, I am connecting to the sample superstore dataset. Once it's connected, you can open a new sheet in which you can start to create your area and a line chart. First of all, we'll put the order date in columns and in rows we'll put the sales. We'll change the year in order date to month in the column section. On the marks card, on the type of chart, we will change it to area. We'll duplicate the sum of sales, and on the second sum of sales, we'll change it to line. We'll right click and we'll choose dual axis. We will right click on the second axis and we'll remove the show header. We'll choose an entire view from the standard. On the first area chart, we'll change the color and we'll reduce the opacity of bit so that the line chart is clearly visible. Now you can see that the area chart and the line chart is clearly visible. And that's it, you have just created an area line chart in Tableau. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.